ROOFSCAPES is a student-led research group that tackles new solutions for food system in cities. It is led by 3 master's students in architecture and real estate and receives a broad support from various labs at MIT. According to the United Nations, 55% of the world's population live in cities, a number that is expected to grow to 68% by 2050. To feed such a rising population, city centers rely on food importation from culture-intensive areas, and as we know, this causes huge territorial modification, greenhouse gas emissions in transportation and processing, and more importantly, it completely disconnects city dwellers with the provenance and cultural history of their food. ROOFSCAPES then proposes to harvest the potential of urban space for food production at scale. In a metropolis like Paris, 33% of the city's area is made out of roofs, both unused and unusable roofs. If some urban farming projects have started to appear, they're limited to flat surfaces and already face the lack of available space. So in response to these challenges, ROOFSCAPES proposes to deploy lightweight wooden structures as a new canopy at the roof level. Just in Paris and a ring, this could unlock over 3,200 hectares dedicated to carbon-free food production and consumption, reducing packaging and dramatically cutting down on transportation. Structurally, ROOFSCAPE is projected to support 400 kilos per square meter, sufficient for the 30 centimeters of soil demanded by the local farmers we're partnering with. ROOFSCAPE uses over-designed retaining wall of adjacent buildings to deploy its structures. This research is going to be implemented as a monitored pilot project in the spring in Paris to assess its numeric metrics. Beyond this, ROOFSCAPE is set in a larger urban resilience plan. It deploys green roof that can reduce urban temperature by up to 4 degrees and restore biodiversity. It provides additional outdoor space, a critical public health need in times of global pandemic. And it retains water to help the region infrastructure deal with recurring overflow. ROOFSCAPES is well aware and a fervent advocator of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and uses the SDG target framework to assess its success in building economic growth while tackling climate change and answering environmental protection. Beyond Paris, ROOFSCAPES is adaptable to all historic city centers that increasingly suffer from underutilization of their roofs. Support the research we do at ROOFSCAPES and support a revolution for our urban food systems.